put your money in. I'm finna short everything. So I've been watching 3 contracts. So it's trying to go for it. We're gonna go ahead and drop our short in right here. Let's do a stop loss, because we only have about $1 or something up in there. Like I said, what I'm doing is, looks like, look. What I'm doing is learning these charts. Okay, well, I'm gonna say learning this chart. Okay, because when I first started trading futures, I actually was looking at a whole bunch of different charts. I was never sure on what chart, if I didn't find a play here on this chart, I would jump to the BTC, or I would jump to CAS, or I would jump to XRP or Link or something like that. But what I did is I started paying attention to one chart and studying that chart. So because I work a lot, so whenever I get a chance, I'm always studying charts on the computer, and I'm also studying charts on TradingView, on my phone. Now, it looks like the trade right here is kind of going against us. The buyers were in the house. I mean, the shorts was rolling for a minute. As you can see, they had a run up. Okay, he ran up to about 587, and he had a little pullback to about 581. Okay, and the bulls came in the house and said no, they brought it all the way up to 589. Okay, then the bears dropped it back down. So you can see, the pattern, but it can always create its own pattern. Don't try to trade just off the pattern, because that pattern will go against you. You kind of feel like the market makers or whoever, is like paying attention to you, like they're listening to you. Because sometimes when you put that trade in, that chart will go against you. Okay, now look right here. Yes, we do. We have a short in. Okay. Oh, actually, no. It has bopped us out. Okay, so we got bopped out. I wasn't paying attention. But, so yeah, because I did not give it that much room. Okay, because I'm playing with 75 times leverage. Now, this is something to play, like something to take seriously, but to me, the way I see it, as long as my SL is set, I'm straight. Your stop loss, as long as that's set, you straight. That way you mediating your losses. You kind of, you're not finna, get ran through. So, but this kind of makes me wish I kept that short in, but it's not doing nothing. Look at it. It's rising. They ain't playing no games. I think it's gonna come all the way back. I think 15-minute chart. What I actually was trying to do, let's go ahead and pop over here to TradingView really fast. My computer is just over whooping, tripping for real. Here. Here, kind of look charts like this. So render at its all-time high is at $8.96. And after that, you can see it had a big drawdown, and then ever since pretty much December 1st of 2022, render's pretty much been on the up and up. Okay, so right now we're sitting at about $5 and about $5.90 or something like that. 581. Okay, that's crazy. Whether it's gonna reach that almost $9 mark again, you know what? I believe I would not be surprised if it hit the target and just completely started blasting off, because render has just been on fire. Okay, so this is gonna be our target. I mean, you probably will see what's going on over here. So since we got stopped out, okay, like I said, you guys play with small amounts of money, okay, before you start entering big money. You know, I keep cash, blah blah blah, other places, here we go. But within my futures account, I'm only dropping like dubs at a time. Okay, yeah, you're not gonna make no money, yeah, I know. But the point is right now is getting to know these charts and getting to understand like the market structure and understanding these damn candles, because just recently I switched from regular candles to goddamn them damn Heiganashis. Okay, so they you would think that they're the same, but they're not. Okay, so these Heiganashis, you gotta once you know, you know what I mean? I mean, it's similar, they just a little different. You know, I think like one candle kind of tells something off of the other candle or something. I'm still pretty much trying to put it together. And to be honest, I do kind of treat them like the regular candlesticks. I also like how they're slimmer, a little bit more pink, 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 pink. But you can see the bulls are in the house, man. They are in the house, and they are not trying to get out of the house, as we can see. This is my luck right here. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, let's see what happens. Okay? Let's drop a long, right? We're gonna go 75 times leverage, okay? Watch this. I'm gonna see how to blow an account. We're gonna put, hey, look at this. Yeah, laugh at these totals, okay? Just a couple of bucks in there. Okay, like I said, understand that market structure, okay? You understand what you're doing out here. When you get ready to put that money in there, you know what you're doing now. You're gonna be banking. Okay, you already know, okay, woo, it's going up like, okay, it's been, you know, that's the best thing too that I found. Boom. Okay. Boom. But they stopped me out. Now, I'm going to tell you this. That's only because I'm using so much damn leverage. Okay, I got to stop playing with the whoop, all right? If I stop playing with the whoop and do it like you're supposed to do it, okay, let's drop down to like 3 times leverage. You don't have to use no leverage, okay? It just gives you a little boost up on your money. You know, if you run it with like 20 bucks and, you know, and you put 3-4 times leverage on it, you know, it's like 80 bucks or something like that. You know, 60 to 80 bucks, depending on which one you choose. So, let's see. Let me see. Get some respect. Let me see. Let's see if I can go on for one. Now, it's going to want me to put more money into my account. Hey, trading futures is fun. You know, I don't care what no one say. You know what I mean? Trading futures is fun because, for one, you can get money. That's kosher for me. You know what I mean? So it can happen. But even though you set your SL, you still can get ran. You know, it's discipline, man. You got to discipline yourself. Discipline yourself to do the one risk only 1% of your account per trade. Pretty good. I want this to come down. Okay? I know it's gonna come down. It's just a matter of when. Look at our MACD down here. This MACD is going stewy. Look at all that buying pressure, bro. Let's go ahead and lift that. Maybe y'all can see that. Look, we got some strong bars. Strong. Okay. I mean, we can even run our. Let me see. We can run our EMA through there and look at the EMA. The EMA is rocking right along with the MACD. You know, this is gonna be our volume right here. You know. So once I whoop some more money into my account, then you know, we'll get there to the next one.